What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Today's the day. We're picking three winners for the limited edition print giveaway that I started a couple of weeks ago. The amount of support that all of my photos have garnered over this past week, or over the past month or so, has been unbelievable. And my way to thank you guys is to hold this this giveaway. So let's get this rolling, shall we? Alrighty, so it looks like we had about 70 entries here. And let's go. Alright. Our first winner is Rami Brozaci. I am so sorry if I'm butchering your names, Rami. Congratulations, you're my first winner. Alright, second winner. Coming up quick here. Natasha Buck. You're my second winner.
You don't have to stay if you don't want to. I understand.
But we're gonna stay.
Really?
At least for one more dance.
No, not me! Not me! Get out of here! Cafe disco! Hey, come on, man!
Awesome. All right. Fingers crossed. Third and final winner. Tammy Lee. Oh my goodness.
Yeah! Okay, dancing! It is a primal art form used in ancient times to express yourself with the body!
Congratulations to all three of you, Rami, Natasha, and Tammy. Congratulations, you are my three winners. What you need to do is email me personally at info@nicktaylorphotography.ca. I'll leave a link in the description below. Just copy that email address. Send me an email saying, I'm a winner. And we will get that limited edition print out to you ASAP. Wow. What a whirlwind this past month has been. It's been cold, but so worth it. You got the amount of support, like I said, has been overwhelming. And so thank you, everyone. I'm sure I'll probably do another giveaway in the future here. But in the meantime, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more photos here and there of other major landmarks within Fort Saskatchewan. So make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled on that. Thank you, everyone who supported this these photos. It means so much to me. I started this just to kind of give everybody or everybody in Fort Saskatchewan a little bit of a break, you could say, with all the COVID stuff going on, everybody locked down, and it's just nice to see something other than COVID this, COVID that, it's a nice break. So that was the intention of this photo series. Once again, thank you guys so much for the amazing support. And we'll probably do this again very soon. With that being said, I'm going to leave it at that. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.